What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on ICP. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So ICP is currently trading at a price point of $2.93. It has a market cap of 1.3 billion, which ranks 33rd among all cryptocurrencies. And it has a circulating supply of 445 million out of a total supply of 506 million. And now, according to CoinMarketCap, ICP is down 99.6% from its all-time high of $750. Now, I want to talk about this for a second, because oftentimes I will have people come down into my comment section talking about how they hope a project will reach its all-time highs. And I just want to be crystal clear. Do not expect that from ICP. The reason for that is because when it reached these levels, there was significantly less ICP tokens in circulation. Just to show you guys what I'm talking about, if you come over to market cap of and you compare the current market cap of ICP to the all-time high market cap of ICP, which was 18.5 billion. If ICP got back to those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of $41.73, and that'd be a 14x. And that is compared to what we just saw in CoinMarketCap of an all-time high of $750. So it is critical that you understand the dilution. Now, getting back to an 18.5 billion market cap is still very good. If ICP reached $41, a lot of people would make a lot of money. And then just another example, if you guys are someone that believes ICP could reach the all-time market cap high that Shiba Inu, a meme coin, reached last bull run, which was 41.1 billion. If ICP reached those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of $92, and that'd be a 31x. Now, if I'm being completely honest, I could see a reality where this happens. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed, and the odds are not in ICP's favor because they've had a pretty bad reputation until recently. The reason for that is because they look like a complete rug pull, but the reality is that they were manipulated heavily at their launch by New York Times and FTX. And to be honest, that's one of the biggest reasons I think they will succeed now. Everyone loves a good underdog story, and it was completely unfair what happened to them. But in addition to that, they are also aiming to revolutionize Web3, as they are essentially a world computer that cannot be shut down. And obviously that's going to make them significantly more decentralized than most projects. And decentralization has always been one of the biggest selling points of crypto. But you just have to understand, at the current moment, the crypto market is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. So any narrative that can be pushed that can garner hype, those projects are naturally going to perform better. And I cannot stress how important an underdog story actually is, as we've seen how market psychology works. Look at all the meme coins. I mean, Dogecoin reached an all-time market cap high of 88.7 billion as a meme coin. Now, again, I'm not saying ICP will get anywhere near these levels, but it is a project with excellent technology and it has an underdog story. So I recommend at least putting it on your watch list. Now we'll get into some ICP news. So this is the Dfinity Twitter page, which has 684,000 followers. And they just posted 4 hours ago. During the Web3 industry and technology panel at the Edge Summit, Dominique shed light on the internet computer's crucial role in the convergence of AI and Web3. And that's another thing. I am extremely bullish on the AI narrative. I think a lot of projects that are associated with AI will perform very well next bull run. So in my eyes, that's definitely another positive. Exciting times ahead as ICP paves the way for a new era of decentralized AI-driven Web3 applications. And here's some other big news. So 5 hours ago, they posted huge partnership announcement. The game company has partnered with Internet Computer to revolutionize the gaming experience. TGC will leverage ICP's secure and scalable infrastructure to enhance their gaming solutions. And we have seen how well gaming performs during bull runs. So that's another thing that ICP has going for it. It's affiliated with gaming. The two organizations have formed a partnership to integrate the TGC's revolutionary gaming platform into the ICP's decentralized ecosystem. This partnership seeks to offer gamers a frictionless experience by leveraging the ICP's secure and scalable infrastructure to improve the accessibility and performance of TGC's innovative gaming solutions. The two-way partnership will make it easier to put TGC's gaming platform directly on the ICP network. So this is just overall some pretty bullish news. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Right now, we are at that 46 level, which is in the fearful region. So why measure fear and greed? The crypto market behavior is very emotional. People tend to get greedy when the market is rising, which results in FOMO. Also, people often sell their coins in irrational reaction of seeing red numbers. With our Fear and Greed Index, we try and save you from your own emotional overreactions. There are two simple assumptions. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a good buying opportunity. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market could be due for a correction. Now, is this the end-all indicator? No. But from my personal experience, it's usually pretty accurate. So when you see that we are in that fearful region, that's when you're seeing Bitcoin's going to 20K, crypto's dead, or the SEC claiming a bunch of projects or securities. And the reality is that is when you should be buying crypto. Obviously, that's not financial advice. Do what's best for you. On the contrary, when we're up at that 70 or 80 region and we are greedy, that's when you're seeing Bitcoin's going to 200,000, crypto's the future, etc. That's when you typically should consider taking profits. I recommend keeping this indicator in your arsenal and use it to help yourself understand the overall sentiment of the crypto market. Now, for the final part of this video, we'll get into a little bit of technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. Now, the first thing you guys will probably notice is that I have ICP drawn in a falling wedge. And falling wedges break up 68% of the time. And it has a measured move to about $4.20. Now, measured moves do not always play out. But right now, the RSI is pretty oversold. And then if you look at price action, it swings from a higher low to a lower low. If you look at the RSI, it swings from a lower low to a higher low. That is Class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom has been reached. Now, I will say the stochastics are very overbought right now. So if you are looking to get into ICP, you might want to wait a couple days. Let these come back down and reset. And maybe price action will continue trading sideways for a little bit or drop down to that $2.85 region. But overall, ICP looks pretty good on the daily time frame. But you do have to understand, ICP and the rest of the crypto market, for the most part, are tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, most will rise. If Bitcoin falls, most will fall. That being said, I want to show you guys Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So as many of you guys know, I called this initial drop we had on August 17th. The reason for that is the 21-day moving average broke beneath the 50-day moving average, which created a death cross. And in Bitcoin's history, that typically signals a drop is coming. Now, the reason that's important is because the 21-day moving average has broken beneath the 200-day moving average. And I've been warning about this for a little while now. And in Bitcoin's history, this death cross is typically more violent than the previous one. So I want you to understand that this is still valid. Now, on a positive note, price action had gotten back above the 21-day moving average. But then the stochastics and the RSI had gotten very overbought. And in my previous videos, I talked about how price action swing from a higher high to a lower high. And the RSI was lower high to higher high, which is Class A bearish divergence. And that typically signals a local top has been reached. So I said I would not be surprised if price action started to flag out and potentially come down and bounce off the 21-day moving average or start trading in that $25,700 region where it had been trading sideways for the previous weeks. And that is exactly what started to happen. The last 4 or 5 days, it started to flag out. So nothing has really changed yet. At the current moment, I'd still be looking for Bitcoin to continue flagging out or to potentially bounce pretty soon off the 21-day, as it's pretty much trading on the 21-day right now. But all that being said, I personally will not be bullish on Bitcoin in the short term again until it gets back above that $28,000 region, as that's been heavy resistance in the past. On top of that, it would also get us back above quite a few of the moving averages. But as I stress in every single one of my videos, it is critical that you understand macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So if all of a sudden the BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF were to get approved, that could skyrocket Bitcoin, ICP, the entire crypto market. On the contrary, if it gets rejected or some extremely bearish news comes out, that could tank the entire crypto market. So just understand, anything can happen in the short term, and don't get so caught up in short-term price action. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP could go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.